What up? Ma! The meatloaf! Oh, I just secured this. What up, Jay Styles? What up, Dell? Dude, this candle just absolutely demolished my account. Yo, Free Humanity. What up? Trying to get another payout here. Actually, I locked in Top Step today. I mean, this is kind of flagging. There we go. $155. Yo, Free Humanity. That's what she told me. It's exactly what she told me. What up, CT? What was the news? I don't even know. But these funded accounts are done. 325, 155. I'm just keep working it up. I'm actually done with this, so I'm just going to turn it off. Dude, all I'm going to say is that shit blew me out. That candle blew my back out. I lost like $1,200, or I actually lost $1,500 on that candle. Now it won't happen. Let's do it one more time right now. Just do it right now. Go bang. Just go all the way up. All the way up. I want to see you go all the way up right now. The accounts are smoked. Bro, didn't even take me out to dinner. Couldn't even get me a meal before. Like Ice Cube told me, no Vaseline. Not even a little Diddy oil. Oh, are we gonna break this down? It feels like it wants to push. Oh, come on. It was some BS. It was a BS I got hosed on a BS reaction. Shut the fuck up. Dude, like, how do you trade that? There's no. It was literally bear flagging for a drop. It was literally bear flagging for a drop. What up, Insane Football? Come on, get up to like 57, 58. Yeah, I got smoked. back in the game. I mean, it looked like it was a short. You know, I can't help if news or some shit comes out like that's outside of what I'm looking at. I should have just taken my fucking gains when we were up here. I was. I was. Oh, what's up, Maria? Yeah, it completely destroyed my accounts. US started conversation with China for tariffs. I got hosed by this candle. Hosed. Oh, look at this shit. Yo, what up, John Carter? John, is he like talking? I don't know. What up, Mike? Yo, I just got hosed by that freaking this. Yeah, Jaden. Smoked me out. 3 accounts. 3 accounts I was in. Incognito today. Oh. All seriousness, I tried playing the 3 micros and hold for a hold and all that shit. Like I can't do that. I think I'm out on those hold trades, to be completely honest with you. I don't mind moving my stop loss and up and whatnot, but these are the accounts that I was doing it in, and it's just not my trading style. Yeah, CT. I know. I should just stay in my lane. What up, BK? Oh. At least I locked in a payout for today. So at the bare minimum, I locked out a payout. I'm going to get $650, and it is what it is, right? Yeah, Mike, that's probably where I'm going back to. I was just doing it for more of like, I don't know. Yeah, CT. You know what? I wanted to give it a try. I really did. I was like, I really wanted to give it a try. And I think what I'm going to do is when we get around like crazy levels, like say we came all the way down to like here, which is the orb, you know, maybe I buy 3 micros and I give it like a 30-point stop for like a massive reversal. But other than that, I think I'm out on the hold. Yeah. Too many payouts my way. Where was I trying to hold from? The base, Dell. I like to hold it from the base. Yeah, the kid's babysitter came and picked up the car to go get my kids at school. If I can get out of this trade with a win, where I get out up here and I push my stop higher, whatever. $130 in. See, I'd be fucking down. I'd be down, but whatever. I'm gonna see if I can work these back by the end of the day. Yo, McLean, you need $150 to get a max payout? How hard could $150 be, man? How hard? The question is, where do you go from here, up or down? Jaden, I think you're flagging to go up. Yo, just before I needed to get $10, I locked in day 3 for this account, and I stopped $10 shy, and I was like, oh, here we go again. Just need $10. How hard could $10 be? What up, Fred? Yo, CT, he's logged in at his side chick's house. That's what. That's the issue. Damn, bro. Surpassed daily max and an eval on that crazy candle. Tried to lose the excess 20 and end up making another 450. Oh, yo, you just got to flip and let the commissions get you. On the Wi-Fi, yes. Dude, insane football. We need a name change on you. We need to what can we call you instead of insane football? I haven't heard. Got it. Keep it low. He's at the side. Yo, he's definitely at the side chick's house. Insane. Just insane. Insane girth. Holy shit. Bro. What the fuck was that? What up, Bartolo? Code. Insane fan. Yo. I was thinking about going short there too. No, I wasn't close hitting the button, but if I went in short, the algo candle would have went up. I have yet to hit one of these algo candles, by the way. I'm never in the algo candle, like, just gets me. Yo, I feel bad for anyone who started trading within the last 2 months. If you can make it past this, you'll be fine going forward for a long time. If you could pass the next 3 months and still be around, you'll be fine after that. What up, Luca? Yo, Jack Boom in the house. Bro, that wick means somebody just got their freaking titties lit. Someone's account's on fire right now. Yo, what up? What up? Yeah, if you started this year trading, sure, it's been a rough. It's definitely been a rough go at. Yeah, it's definitely hard, Maria. What on that wick? I got to bring up another split screen ES. I used to have a split screen ES, and I don't have it anymore. I don't know why. I don't know where it went. Yo, John Carter, I use a split screen, right? Let me see if I can. I'll try to set it up real fast. Trading view. Yo, I'll tell you what, some of the stuff came back a lot back. I mean, I was. Oh, you just have it up on another monitor? Yeah, no, I did it. I split it right here. I wanted to create a new tab for it. I wanted to bring up the 3-bar reversal pattern to see if it works on the 5. And apparently it does. I'd probably take it. I'd probably take the 3-bar on the ES, take it to the bank. I'm going to test out 3-bar on the ES because it will actually give us more, only on the 5-minute. It'll give me more opportunities to play. Bartolo, we got to work on that, man. I need you to get a payout. I need you to get a payout. Yeah, John, I just didn't want to open up the plus sign and then see like, I don't know, I don't know what my main Google screen has. Like my bank that I use as a site I go to a lot. So I just, dude's trying to hack my fucking email. Imagine if I had like my bank up and whatnot. Day 4 always screws your account. It looks like it wants to just give it up. We would see the porn history. Oh, dude, the list. The list. I'm afraid of doing that on this computer anyways. I'm afraid of messing up my trading computer. I use this for work. I don't like using this computer for anything but work and trading, to be honest with you. I don't even use it for personal searching around like normal shit. I'm afraid of going to some weird site and getting a virus or something. Because if this computer ever went down, I'd be fucked. Also, I have all passwords for my trading accounts on here. Like, if you send me funny shit, I open it up on my cell phone or on my laptop. I don't risk anything on this computer. Cove Trader from I don't know. I'm so worried about messing up my main computer for everything with anything. Like, not even going to, like, my friends will send me funny videos. I'm like, dude, I'll open that up on my phone. Yeah. Yo, every time I post my email, people try hacking my email. I've gotten notified at least 3 times of people trying to hack into my YouTube account. What up, Mama Tick? What up? What up? What up? What up? I'm on day 3 of my PA. Good profit I made this morning. Just keep it rolling. Keep doing the same thing. What's up, Robert? I think a lot of people don't get payouts because they trade differently once they're in the funded account. No trading this week? What have you been doing? Are you away? Oh my God. What's the bottom? My only friend stuff? Yo, crazy thing. I have a friend that made an AI chick, and he has a Fansly with a AI chick that people pay for. True story. That's a true story. What's up, Joyce? Yo, where's Ray? I don't know where Ray is, man. You think you'd pop up eventually? Yo, he's gonna pop up. You're gonna see a picture of him double fisting that rice sake wine stuff. What's the best prop firm to start with? I would probably start with probably Apex or Bullnox, just because they're the cheapest. Yeah, Apex or Bullnox, just because they're the cheapest. Listen, if you're brand new, you're probably not passing your first prop firm. Just keeping it real. Youngest kid's graduation, that's cool. That's some cool stuff. Get some fast track accounts. Get some profit trade accounts. Yo, I don't even think about the consistency rule. Yeah. Damn, I wish I held that shit. Yo, I completely forgot about that. What would have happened though? You wait until it's not the 2 p.m. candle, CT. You wait until you get dude, I'm just chopping away. Chopping away. Chopping away. Yo, if I bring this back, it would be impressive. Yo, it didn't invert a gap until this big candle. That would have been the candle to take. I think that's how, you know. Yeah, but that happened in a flash. That wasn't like traded up. Unless you put an order in already and then it would have hit it. Maybe that's what you could do is you put it at the top and if it hits it, you got it. Need China? Some China?
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yo, I'm waiting until May 5th for some Diddy fucking sound clips when they start coming out.
China.
If you had an order in previously, you would have got filled. Bro, this Diddy trial shit's gonna be crazy. China. Moved my PP indie that didn't notice the bounce. Yo, I was you know what I tested out today? My copy trader doing set amounts on other prop firms. So I could do like one contract in this account and then like 3 in another account in my copy trader. I tested that out in Replicanto. Actually liking it a lot. Are we going to see Cove Trade in the Diddy reveal? Bro, I'm not going to lie. Like, if I was invited to a Diddy party, like, back in the day, you're going to say you didn't go? Like, I would have went. Those parties were massive out in the Hamptons. Crazy. The white party. Yo, it's Taco Tuesday. Ain't no party like a Diddy party. ES is going to get rejected. Probably bring the NQ down. The Wu-Tang Clan would sign as my signal to enter. Is Apex paying up? They're paying. Let me look. I don't even know where. Oh, there it is. Ah, dude, you just keep. Dude, that's awesome, man. Keith started with $3,000 in a personal Ninja Trader account, and he hit his goal of $6,000 in the account. Now his second goal is $9,000. Just remember, you can take out your initial $3,000 right now, Keith, and now you're riding free if you wanted to, just in case anything happens. That's awesome, though, Keith. I'll give you the clap. Show everybody. I'll bring it on the screen. That's awesome, man. Smash the old confetti for Keith. I'll smash some confetti for you, Keith, once I click this back in where it has to go. Dude, that's awesome, man. That's freaking great. Lock it in, man. ERs, I don't know what time the ERs are. They're going to be sometime between 4 o'clock and 4:15. That's a lifetime account? Okay. I was just saying, like, if you get to maybe nine, you take out your 3, and now you just know you're playing with house money the whole time. Dude, am I going to do this? I just took that 3 bar real quick, but I was afraid. I just took the 3 bar real fast. I was afraid we were going to reject right here. I should have held. If we go back to 500, I'll probably re-grab. How's the payouts with Apex? They're paying everybody. Everybody getting paid. Just loaded another $15 bull knocks to gamble with. That's what those accounts are for. Yo, trying to little Cove Concepts, getting it going. Back down to 500. I'm probably going to take this long. Yo, I'm not going to lie. I got some Tradeify accounts for earnings today. I just had to do it. I'm playing on house money with them, though. And they owe me another $17.50 coming my way. So I'm paying them with their own money. But I'd like to get a couple more funded accounts. You haven't placed a trade since earlier this morning? So I wonder how long I go without placing a trade. Some nights I gotta ice my fucking finger from clicking the mouse so much. Yeah, I trade Bullnox. I have 2 funded accounts with Bullnox. I think one account is up. One of my funded accounts was up like $400 today, and another one was up like 300. Finger blasting the NQ all day. That's how I roll. That's exactly how I roll. I got out because I think we're going to go lower. Yo, I don't like bracket trading on Ninja. I like setting up the copier on Ninja and then moving over to Tradeovate. What up, Vince? I just bought some. We'll try them on News Friday. What do you think? What accounts? Bullnox? Bullnox is good. The biggest issue with Bullnox is the activation fee is $150 on a it's $150 on a 50K account, and it's $150 there. And to take a payout, you have to make $3,600. It's not $2,600 like Apex. It's $3,600. So you definitely got to take a big payout. You know, you got to get a good amount. Your drawdown stops though at 50,100. So you get a nice size drawdown, but I think just Tradeovate works better when I do it. I'm master debating if I want to get in here real quick. I think it's going to bring it back up. I'm just wondering if we come back down low first. Elmeat, TPT killed you. If you can get to a pro account and pass the buffer, there's nothing better than Take Profit Trader. I literally have been taking daily payouts for 5 days in a row. More than covered all of my accounts. I think I've taken out $3,500 since Wednesday with Take Profit Trader. And it's just every day. I don't have to hit a certain number. I just keep it rolling. Slicing and dicing. On that note, I'm going to get some water. I'll be right back in 2 seconds. I'm back. Oh. What up? What up? Oh, they're dumping it. What do you think? Right down to this volume imbalance and then bounce? How can I trade live with you? I'm burnt. I don't know what you mean. Like, come on. Need you to hold right here. Come on. Bounce it. Bounce it. Just a little more. I'm live right now. I don't, yeah, so I don't know what you mean. How can you take trades? I put my order in. My order has been sitting in there for 30 seconds. You saw my order, right? Did everybody see my order? I mean, I had this sitting in here when we were up here. It's probably 30 seconds before it got hit. I mean, the goal of this is for you not to take just like my trades, but like to kind of learn how to trade yourself. Because what if I'm not on? Right? What if I don't stream? Are you fucking kidding? I'm not chasing it, but I got stopped out at the very bottom. Like, what if I'm not on? How then what are you guys going to do? The idea for this is for you to learn how to trade and then trade your own style. My style may not be the best for you, but some of my rules might be really good for you. You know, my setup might be really good for you. I might jump back in this thing. You know, me talking about what I like, you know, what I'm looking for, what I like will help you along on your journey. But, you know, do you guys get what I'm saying? Maybe somebody knows. Anybody? You know, like we talk strategy a lot in the Discord. You know, how I trade may not be like I just tried trading the 3 micros and holding, right? I'm not good at it. It's just not fucking working for me. But for somebody else, it might be great. And he might use the same foundations that I use. He might say, hey, you know what? I like this. I like this. You know, and then you put your own spin on it. The goal of this is for you to learn how to trade, but then you do your own research on your own and create your own strategy and your own trade plan. Like, sure, like you could you see my order in right now. Like you could obviously put an order in right where I have it in, but you know, if I'm ever gone one day, what do you like? I went to Mexico in February. I didn't stream for a week. I went to Disney. I didn't stream. What are you going to do for those 2 weeks? Just sit around waiting for me to come back? Like, you got to make money. I think the goal should be like learn why things happen. I might take this with a stop right here. Why I like this is see that little break? So you got this break. I could be wrong right here, but you got a break and stochastics are turning up on the bottom, right? So stochastics are turning up and you kind of got like a little trend break. I would love to see this get to like 13, right? Let's see what happens. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Needs to get over 500, really. Nope, not doing it. Not doing it. Nope. 500 rejection, done. Couldn't stay above the trend. Oh, it's going to go. Do not do that to me. Don't do that to me. Yeah, I mean, I trade my own money. I have a Ninja Trader account that I trade my own money with. Also, I trade stock and options on my other monitor through the day. Like, it's not, I enjoy trading prop firms. Oh, you fucked. Are you kidding me? Are you going to make you breaking? All right. Free trade. Free trade. Damn. I made 105. I bought 2 contracts, 105 on one contract. And I think I basically broke even on the second contract. I like pushing the break even as fast as I can, personally. I still like it to the upside. Oh. Quack, quack. All right, let me see. Anybody post something and I didn't answer you? Does Tradeify have Project X? I don't think they do have Project X. No, I use them on Trade. I think they only have Tradeivate. I do have great videos on my channel that explain a lot of things. Mama Tick is correct. That is a correct statement right there. I have a lot of things that I explain. Keith, you're on ES? That's interesting. Yeah, Waldo. That's why I like trading multiple contracts. You could take a quick gain and then you could move up on your second contract. I'm going to take this right here. Just one contract. This is going to be really fucking quick, actually. See, so here's another thing. See these these green lines? These are volume imbalances. So when you come back and touch them, it usually comes back, touches them, and bounces for at least a little bit. We've talked about this in the chat a lot, and I like playing them. We come back, we touch the volume imbalance. Also, when the volume imbalance also correlates with like the 9, now there's 2 things there. So then you want to take that for a quick scalp to the upside. You know, those are the things I'm looking at when I'm trading. I'm not sitting here, you know, those are things that I'm looking at without a shadow of a doubt. We're over 500. The trend is up. We broke the trend. We come back to volume imbalance to the 9. I'm going to take that long real quick. you know, just to kind of go over things that I like looking at. Like, I should make a video about the volume imbalances on. It's probably my favorite trade of 8 indicator, honestly. I think they're like fair value gaps. Somebody lined it up next to the fair value gaps, and it was pretty much similar, but they don't have FVGs on here. Trader Hacks, how have you been, man? I don't think I've seen you around in a little bit. How's life been? You have fair value gaps on here, really? I'm going to play with this after hours. I'll definitely play with it after hours. Yeah, I didn't know you. Yeah, but how can you be at the top? So this one only has one line, Dell. So, like, is this at the top or the bottom of it? Let me see. 483. That's at the bottom of this one. $494. Yo, they're at the bottom of the fair value gaps is what happens. Yeah, they're at the bottom of all the fair. That's pretty interesting. So you're getting it when it trades into it all the way at the bottom. That's probably your best entry, to be honest with you. You know? It's probably the best one. Yeah, bottom of bulls. I kind of like it that way because then you don't get suckered into buying the top of it. You kind of wait. Kind of like it. Kind of like it. Yo, what up, Luca? Yo, K's up in here. What up, guys? Who else is Eminem's in here? Pole's in here. Yo, I don't ever see you. See, I don't see you guys see you type something. What up? David's here. I think I saw David. Jay Fisk is in the house. Brad's here. Too late. I'd enter the retest bottom of the trend line. It just broke. Been rough, real rough. Tough economy. How's your business running? Yo, Hacks, my business is running pretty good. This is a busy time of the year for me. I run busy until the end of June. I run busy. Which volume and balance do you have? Yeah, I have Mike. I got Trader Oracle's one. What's up, Maximus? Just remember, if I don't answer you, I missed it, and just ask again. Yo, what up, DBT? I got DBT in the house. This goes away today, by the way. 80%. They could extend it. I would say there's an 80% chance they extend the 80% coupon. But you never know. They might go to 71 for like 3 days until they're hurting for a squirt, and then they go back. Yo, tell them. Welcome to the stream, brother. Tell him he's new here. How does the giveaway work? Oh, Once you're in the chat for at least a day, you can join the giveaway. It stops people from making 35 accounts. I see mixed results, Cove, on what? Prom, what do you see mixed results on? The volume imbalances? I wouldn't say play every single one of them. What up, Rosales? I wouldn't say play every single one of them. I like the ones that travel far to get to, for the most part. And I'm looking to scalp it for like 5 to 10 points. I'm not looking for a trend reversal. What up, Ivan? Needed this pump. Pump it up like those old Reebok sneakers. Shit's about to go down. Yo, it's right. Are you really done for the day, Sean? Let's be real. Are you done for the entire day? Like, you're not coming back for anything? Not even like, a sip, a little drink, little hangout, little taste. I feel like you're not completely done. Just a late afternoon pick me up, little coffee, little afternoon coffee. Yeah. What up, Lord? I don't know. I think you got big earnings after hours, so I don't know what's going to happen here. I mean, we could just chop around. We could just chop around till earnings. We could definitely just chop for a little bit. What's up, Janix? I'll tell you what, we had some shenanigans this morning. 20 people were on the stream when I opened it up, and 56 people entered the duck race, extra duck. I don't know how that's possible. So if you were on this morning and you were trying to scam the system, we just redid it in the morning once you probably left. So if you tried scamming it, we redid it and you're out. Cove, this price action is getting me desperate. I'll be honest with you, it's pretty much waiting for we have Meta and Microsoft after hours today. I think it was only like, I think it's like 30 now. But there was like 56. Yeah. Yo, what up, Trading Star? Yeah. People tried scamming the system. So we basically just redid it. So if you scammed it and left, you got eliminated. Is it at 405? Yo, what up, Forex Wiz? Is it at 405? Are you on Earnings Whisperer? Is that where you're looking at it? Is that where we're getting the times from? Earnings Whisperer? Earnings Whispers? Yo, I'm trying to see. They don't give a time. Oh, they don't even give a freaking time. Are you kidding me? Why would you not give a time? Meta earnings. Where do you guys look? Where do you guys look for the exact time it comes out? Like, I know it's confirmed after hours, but I'm looking to see when we actually roll. Oh, Financial Juice has times? Bro, Financial Juice might be the best website for info. Yeah. Yeah, Kevin, it's going to move. It's going to fucking move. Wait, Meta is at 4 o'clock? Oh, I see the time. Dude, Meta's at well, hold on one second. Meta is at 440? Why are we doing 440? 440? Nathan, we have earnings. Yeah, X-Blader, Meta at 440 and Microsoft at 405. This is what I just listen to me what I think is going to happen. Meta's going to come out before 440 and we're going to miss the move. eBay, maybe. Microsoft should move it. Microsoft should get a nice pop or drop. Microsoft will move things. Meta will move things. You might be able to hit both of them. I'll tell you what, depending on how things go from here on out, if things go good at the end of the day and then go good for Microsoft, I might dip into the well for Meta also. Just keep it fucking rolling. Yeah, James, just buying the dips. Do not double dip. Do not double dip. Boom, 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 boom. Earnings Hub says 405 for both. I really, dude, that's crazy that says both at 405. We dipped it, Joe. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm intrigued now. Oh, man, this is going to get real interesting. I think I'm going to just do the 405. As soon as the market is over, I'm going to set it up and I'll just move it around. And then what I think will happen is I will I'll probably just keep moving it around and then I'll check to see if Microsoft came out and Meta. And if one of them hasn't, then I'll just keep doing my thing till whenever happens. You know, that's the only thing you can do. Right? That's the only, you know, this is just slow though. I mean, we're going nowhere. I think everything is just sitting and waiting for the earnings. Yeah, it came out early. That's what I think is going to happen. I think it's going to come out early. I'm curious if we just drift up, all the way up. I don't know, Kevin, like 15 maybe? 15? What's up, Bodine? LSJN? Am I just going to fucking get... Dude, did I just... What the fuck just happened there? Of course. Dude. Just blew it. Blew it. Did I just blow that other one too? No. I'm fucking done with these accounts. I got so fucked today on these accounts. I got more fucked than you know. Right on this candle. It didn't even get me out of my accounts, which was crazy. There you go. I'm done with it. Now I don't even have to think about it. I can just not think about it anymore. I'm done. I don't have to put time and effort into trying to get accounts back from fucking... So I don't know what happened here, but this popped and I wasn't able to get out of my... For whatever reason, it didn't sell me out. And then I was in an awkward amount of contracts in these three accounts. That's why they didn't all get dinged at the same time. Something happened with the copy trader and the velocity of this. Kind of like, what up, Alpha Sniper? Yeah, listen, it wasn't like a trading fault. Like, I can't predict that 100 and something point candle is going to come in when I'm short and my copy trader is not going to sell me out. Like, there's nothing I could do about it, you know? So it's not like I'm mad, like, oh, my trading plan didn't work. Like, you know, this fucking just ripped. There's nothing I could do. And I was stuck in a bunch of micros. I think I was stuck in like 25 micros. And my accounts went from like about even to down almost $2,000. There's nothing I can do about it. So just learned my, it's not even learn a lesson. Just fucking, I can't predict these algo candles. And what's crazy is it came all the way back. Came all the way back. Whew. Whatever. I locked in another payout today, which is good. So I just go off that. I still got the rest of the day. The rest of the day to turn things around. Yeah, Vince. Yeah, that's exactly what it was. And there's nothing you can do about it. Like, there's nothing you could do about it. It's just trading in this environment. We're getting these massive algo candles out of nowhere. So I'm requesting $650 from Top Step, which would cover more than the accounts I lost today. So it is what it is. You know? Let's see if I could pass a what the fuck happened there? I don't exactly know what just happened there. How did I like not make money on that? Or so weird. I'm just looking to see any evals. This is an eval. Is this eval done? It's got like no money left. Yeah, done. Okay. I was using an ATM for 5 micros and forgot to change it and jumped over to minis and smoked my Apex. That's crazy. What up, Zoki? Zoki Joe in the house? Welcome to the stream. First timer on the stream, Zoki? Yeah. Playing with nervous money. Nope. Cove, how are you running Top Step X drawdown? Paid it and build it up or milk payouts? I milk the first payout. I milk. So I'll just show you what I do. I'll show you my account. I do this on all my accounts, by the way. So I locked in my payout, right? 5 days. All I do is basically get over the minimum, right? And then I withdraw half the money, which is $650, and that basically covers the eval cost. So basically, it takes 3 evals to pass for me, right? So 3 evals is $150, and then $150 for the activation. So it's $300 to get a funded account, basically. This covers basically 2 funded accounts. I basically get minimum days almost. I take my money out, and now after I take my money out, then I go for the bigger payouts. So once they send me my money, now I'm in the green, and I say, you know what? Now I'm going to hit, now I'm going for the $400 and $500 days. That's the difference. I want to lock in a payout, get paid, and then basically I let loose on it. You want to take money because if you're going for the big payouts and you're blowing accounts, make sure you get money first. Well, no, then I'll just go for 5 days that are winning days, but the winning days are maybe like 400, 500 instead of, 200 and 300. Like my next payout, I'll be up a lot more. You want to get a payout. Once you have a funded account, you want to get a payout with that account. Especially like Top Step, that's so freaking expensive. And it's easy to get a payout. All you need is $200 a day. Like, it's not like I need to hit $3,000 of profit. I'm literally just hitting $200 a day. The problem is they only let you get half the money you make, which sucks. What's my bias? I don't know. Last time Microsoft had earnings, we dumped. I'm going to set up my Replicanto, to be honest with you. I'm going to set up my Replicanto right now so I have everything set. Yo, what up, Mohammed? Am I protective of my Top Step accounts? Kind of more protective than my Apex accounts, but the accounts I'm most protective about is my my Take Profit Trader accounts. Yeah, Take Profit Trader accounts are my most protected accounts. The pro accounts, oh baby. I'm just mathing right now. I'm just mathing as we speak what I want to do here. I sometimes pimp slap Apex hard. Yeah. 50 points, bro? I ain't doing that. I am not doing that. That I can tell you. I think that's all I need to do, actually. I don't think I need to do anything else. Yeah. Oh, for earnings? I'm going to see how this plays out, and then I'm going to talk about earnings. I'll have about 10 minutes to reset myself for earnings. I definitely have a little bit of time to reset for earnings. I mean, listen, I don't think anything's going to play out. I think I honestly think they're just going to kind of chill out, and I think it's going to be a real choppy until what do you call it? Hold on, I got to open up the door real fast. I think it's going to just chop around until earnings. back. I'm back. I'm back. Oh, fuck. Yo, I mean, don't get me wrong. It does look like you kind of can drop here. I just don't. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't. Need a pump ASAP? I mean, you might get it right here. You might get it right here. I'm getting screwed. Yeah, Sam. Well, they have Microsoft and Meta earnings are after hours. So you kind of have, who's looking to buy 20 minutes before two major earnings release? You might get a little bit of positioning. But there's going to probably be a lot of wait and sees. Yo, what up, Karen Bear? How have you been? Haven't seen you in a bit. How's things going? Yo, Del, I literally bought the very bottom of this thing at like 16,000 or 16, whatever it was. We were at the bottom. It was like 10:30 at night. I bought it on Robinhood. Dude, Karen, just running around doing a bunch of kid shit, to be honest with you. I trade, and then run around and do a bunch of kid stuff all night. Like, I gotta go coach. I go from this to coaching softball, and then I have my own baseball game tonight at 8:30 or 9 at night. And then I get home. I'm probably going to get home around 12:30. I got a shower. I'm probably going to be in bed around 1:15 tonight, 1:30. And then I'll be up at 6 a.m. So tonight's one of those nights I get like 5 hours of sleep. But I already know what I'm going into. Like, earnings, they say 405. Yo, Marie's up in here. Damn, a bunch of the women are up in here today. You got Karen Bear, Marie. Who else you got? Mad Moxie in here right now? What up, Corey? I think you did. I think I saw it, Karen. Girl power. Yeah, there's a bunch in here right now. Well, I have the obviously I can look at the analytics. It's like 98% dudes. You didn't see my GA, put it in here again. I didn't see it. Sorry. Put your question in here again. I'll answer you right now. Let me see if I can scroll back and see it. All good. I asked, doesn't Tradeovate log you out? If you were logged into a different... No. So Tradeovate, I have a different login. Each Tradeovate has its own login. So this, I have an Apex login. This, I have a Take Profit Trader login. This, I have a Tradeify login. So each one I have a different login with. Yo, Husk coming over to hang out. Yeah, so Pascal, what up? Yeah, so each one has its own login. That's why I don't get logged out. They're all different logins. What up, Bob? So yeah, that's the yeah, each one allows you has a different login. Dude, this is gonna get how's it going with my take profit trader? I've gotten 5 days of payouts with them in a row. You blew too many accounts, Pascal. I kind of feel you. I tried to go against everything I know about trading today to kind of appease the people in the chat. And I was trying to hold and be a trader that I'm not, be the guy who just like holds for the bigger moves. And I ended up blowing all my not all my accounts. I blew 3 accounts that I was doing it with. I wouldn't get the 100K GA. I would go 50 or 150. Yeah. You blew 3 funded and 11 evals. Yeah. That'll do it. That will do it. When am I making a course, Cove? Yo, Jerry, what do you want to learn? I make videos all the time that are educational. What do you want to learn? I'll make a video for you. Vince, I don't think so because it's I don't think so. That's not what eats up a lot of resources. Running like Ninja Trader eats up a lot of resources. Yeah, like I can run Quant Tower, Ninja Trader, all this stuff. I have a pretty powerful desktop. Plus, I'm streaming at the same time, so the desktop is pretty powerful. Yeah, Tradeovate is just on the browser. Like me and you are on the same Tradeovate. So like when they update Tradeovate, it's just the browser. The stuff that eats you up is the Ninja Trader, the Quant Tower, anything you got to like download. What's up, Gavin? Yeah, Ninja's probably the biggest suck of resources. Nothing specific, but I see that successful traders sometimes do it. Jerry, or you see unsuccessful traders make a course so they're making money off the course and not off of trading. A lot of people selling courses are not making money. They're making money by selling courses. Just an FYI. There's a lot of people doing that, selling paid discords, selling courses, and that's how they're making their money, not by actually trading. Yeah. Yo, what up, Lee? I have a free Discord that we all hang out in. If you guys want to hang out in a Discord, the links in the description are in a little bit. I'll put it in the chat. Who the fuck's at my door? Hold on one second. Oh. Yo, the signal gurus. What's my top 3 firms? Probably Take Profit Trader, Apex. I use My Funded Futures, Top Step. I like Bullnox, Tradeify. And why? There's a package guy. Corey, you gonna do play by play? I'm not gonna do the drift strategy today because there's earnings. Yeah, I'm not drifting today. When you reset a pro, I've never reset a pro account. I actually don't know. I don't. YGA, I like Take Profit Trader the best because they have daily payouts and there's no trading rules except for the news rule. But you could trade any style you want with them. You could do anything you want. And it's pretty not easy, but they allow you to take out daily payouts. Earnings time, I think it's 4:05. Yeah. How many years? I've been trading in the market probably since 2007. And I took 5 years off from then until now. So they have a trailing drawdown on the funded, but once you hit the buffer, it's static. It stops at $50,000. Oh, this shit's going to be fucking bananas. Hold on. I got to work real quick. Hold on. Come on, baby. I wouldn't be surprised to see a dump.
Order rejected.
Yo, didn't happen. It wicked down first. You got to wick down first. Yeah. Yeah, the wick down got it. But you made some back on the way up. You know what I'm saying? Like you made it didn't go, it wicked down. Nah, it wicked down first. I got filled short, but it's all good because the 5-point play I was talking about in Discord, I made the money back 3 times playing the same candle. Oh, yeah. I mean, I know what you're talking about, Dell. As soon as it goes, you then buy or sell, right, Dell? Actually, you would never get wicked out that way. So you're saying this. What you're saying basically is you're basically going to buy 2 seconds or 3 seconds into it, whatever way it goes, and then you're going for the points. So this is the 1 second chart. Basically, you'd probably get filled like right here, and then you just go for your points. Yeah, Kid Poker. The problem is I have to do that on another screen almost. It is your way, or it's definitely a workaround. Without a doubt, it's definitely a workaround. I mean, there you go, Sean. Yeah, no, I mean, it made back. The NQ is green on the day. I mean, look at the NQ. We were all the way down. I mean, 900. I mean, we're up 680 points from the bottom. Yo, I have the highest trading view package, Vince. I have the highest one that you can get. I got it during like Black Friday. They were running some crazy deal. Well, I mean, earnings are coming out. I mean, you have earnings. What caused the pump? I don't really know full time. BK, we swept low before going high. So you would have gotten swept low and then high. That's what happened to me. I lost on the way down and then made some back on the way up. Another bum. I have been killing it. 6 straight days of prop firm payouts for me. Taking out $650 today. It's just the end of the month tush push. All your orders slipped, so you got it? Dude, that sucks, Kid Poker. A lot. I mean, this is the 1 minute chart. So a lot. A lot of FVGs down there. Yeah, you got lucky, Island Boy. That happened to me every once in a while. Mac Daddy, I'm not drifting today. We're not drifting today. Yo, Dennis, from green to red to green. Oh, I know those days. After the day's done, you're just like, oh my God, I'm finally done. Yeah, I mean, we might dump in the days, like we might dump later today if earnings are bad, or later this week or next week. You know, sometimes the dollar can go up a little bit, and you know, it's kind of like a delayed reaction. All I know is this is I would be prepared for Microsoft earnings to happen anytime between market close until 4:05. I'm just letting you guys know. They don't always wait till the time. I'm just giving you a heads up. Just a little heads up, guys. No, you don't have to record your trades. I don't know who told you that. Holy shit. Dude, this thing's all over the fucking place. Um,
Order rejected.
what the fuck was that? Dude, was that Qualcomm? What the fuck just happened there? Oh. Let's see what happens. I think Microsoft is out. Microsoft earnings are out. Yo, honestly, it didn't really pop it. Let's see let's see all seriousness, I don't know if I'm going to play meta earnings. I'm probably not going to play meta earnings, to be honest with you. Or I could play it in this account. I'll play meta earnings right here. I'm not I ended up blowing a Take Profit Trader Pro account, and I don't want to blow my other one because I just got a good thing going. And I don't want to risk it on earnings. It didn't really move the market. What time does the market close at? Yo, ER already happened, Kevin. I'm going to play I'm going to risk it for the biscuit if meta comes out. If meta comes out, what do I need? 5? That passes, right? Oh. That will pass because that's 30 points. 30 points. Yeah, 30 points, I'll pass.
Order rejected.
Dude, did that just fucking happen? Bro, I wasn't even fucking set up for it. I wasn't even fucking set up for it. Oh, I wasn't even set up for it. That's going anyways. Look at that. Meta's up 3%. Oh, it was worth. That was an eval. So, dude, you were schlong? Yeah. So what time do I trade? Normally, I'm done actually trading right now. I was having some fun in some evals, which I would have passed, I guess. I would have passed this eval. Oh, man. That's why I wasn't risking a Take Profit Trader Pro account. I was trying to have some fun and pass some of these accounts, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I want to get... Damn, Hood. Hood had earnings. Hood is even on earnings. What? Dude, Hood didn't move at all on earnings? How is that possible? Yo, Hood had a beat and a beat. I don't know if you guys own Hood. Beat and a beat. The stock is going nowhere right now. You can't find Meta? You gotta look on Twitter. Twitter has it. They beat, EPS beat, and revenue beat. Beat and a beat. Evil Squirtsman, yo. I'm going to see if I can pass just by holding. I'm literally just going to hold this. What do I need to pass anyways? 300? Is it 600? 1200? Is there trailing on this? Oh, no, there is no trailing. Bro, the fact that there's no trailing makes this a little bit easier. I don't know what I need to get to. Yo, everybody had beats. I don't know why the market's not fucking ripping. Earnings are all out, Robert. Apex Trade Evade is not letting trades bigger than one contract? That's crazy, T-Trades. Yo, I'll tell you one thing. If Hood closes above, where does Hood have to close above? If Hood closes above $49, dude, I'm going to collect a bunch of fucking premium tomorrow. You need a homie slider? Dude, I collected, as long as Hood stays up, I collected a lot of fucking premium. What else did I do it in here too? Oh, I did do it in here. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be like $1,500. Where do I have to go? Where do I have to go up here? 2,000. Dude, I don't think I need to. Only fooled you 1 out of 10? Yo, Meta earnings are out already, Sean. It's on Facebook. It's on Instagram. Not Instagram. It's on Twitter. Come on. This would be so awesome if you just give me 1 win here. 1 win. Just pass me, baby. Come on. 5 minis. I did 5 so it can move around a little bit. Full-time trading. I appreciate the support. I definitely appreciate it. It goes back to giving away free accounts over here. Yes, Pete, this is an eval. Come on. Come on, please. Please. Don't do me dirty. It'd be so awesome. Dude, I'm about to do some serious stuff, Uncle Joe, to get this up. A trade copier with a Mac? I don't know. You can't trade my funded futures after 410. $4.10 is the last time you could trade them at. Oh, why are you doing this to me? We were going so good. Wait, what? Is there a daily loss? There's a soft daily loss limit of $1,200 on the accounts. I did not know that. I was unaware that there's a soft daily loss limit. So I still have this account. I just can't trade it today. This is Tradeify. I didn't know that there was a soft daily loss limit on it. Oh, if I knew that, I probably would have taken profit when I was up about 1,000, only to re-enter at another time. I didn't know I couldn't just let it. Dude, that's fucking insane. That's freaking insane. Dude, is Meta giving it up? Yo, Meta's kind of giving it up, boys and girls. Yo, CT, did you ever get your free account? You never got that? Bro, that's wild. Dude, that's the wildest thing. Honestly, it looks like it's about to give it up. It literally looks like it's about to just give it up. One last try. I'm not letting it move around. If I hit the soft breach, I hit the soft breach. I always have tomorrow. Tuh. I'm watching fucking Microsoft. Dude, Microsoft is giving it up. And so is Meta. I don't know what's bringing this higher. What is bringing this higher? I'm literally watching them fucking sell off. Like Meta looks like it's about to sell off. And Microsoft looking like it's going to sell off. What up, Quant? I'm just looking at the stocks. They're looking like they're selling off. Jeez, Racer. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is. I'm just watching the actual stocks. Microsoft is down a couple bucks. Meta is selling off as we speak. Meta is less than 3% up now. That's so crazy. Unless they just bounce it. Fucking bounce it. Last chance. Dow dragging up, dragging his balls up. I'm only in 2 for right now. I want to see this go if it's going to go. I'll duck race once I see if I'm out or not. Oh, NVIDIA. So they're all going. What do I need to hit? Basically up here. I need this to get all taken out. I basically need to get taken out is what I need. Yeah. Come on. Push it. I need you to fucking push it. We're over 8. We're over 19.8. Push it and pass it for me. Please. Come on. Bull Knox is super fast. I passed the Bull Knox account today. I'll see when I get it. Come on. You'll get it, Fred. What's pushing it up? Earnings? Oh, shit. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. All right. Duck race time. Duck race time. That wasn't a good ratio at all. I kind of got fucking. Actually, this account's still in play. So 1 for 4. What the sucky part was, I was right on up. Like, I should have passed this account, and I would have passed 2 out of the 5 accounts. I didn't realize that there was a soft limit. Otherwise, I probably would have went less and bought more on the break. Give myself the clap. I wish I could have done better. All right. Duck race time. Oh. All right. Lighten it up. Lighten it up. By the way, if you're new here, subscribe. You got to click the little bell at the bottom also. Otherwise, you're not going to get notified. Even if you are a subscriber, you got to click the little bell. Otherwise, you won't get notified. We do these account giveaways every day. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. That's what allows me to give away the free accounts. So this is everybody that was on the morning stream. This winner will play the afternoon stream. We stream 10:30 to noon and 2 to 4:30 every day. Also, there's a link to our free Discord in the description of the video. Also, if you want to join, that's where a lot of us hang out after. That's the link to the Discord. Oh. Yo, 100 shorters versus bull market. Who would win? Yo. Quack, quack. Ugh. Come on, duckies. Yo, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm probably not playing earnings tomorrow in a funded account. I'll probably play it in a eval. Just letting everybody know. No, it's 4:28. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Are you around? This thing's still going up? All right. Now, this is everybody that was on this stream. Set it and forget it. You just got hoed? Are you guys sure? Why would it be a scam? Full-time trading? It's literally the best firm that's out there. It's literally the best for. I've taken out so much money from them. Daily payouts. Why would it be a scam? I'm just curious. Like, what leads you to believe that you think it's a scam? Were you insane? Were you on the morning stream? Because if you weren't, that's probably why. As of this moment, it's a scam. Why? I would just give it a little bit. It's definitely not a scam, though. I mean, people use it and they pay out. Benny, login info is there. Yo, it's 4:31. Yeah. I don't think it's a scam. Yeah, no, shows pending. Yeah. I think you're fine. I think you're fine. It takes a while for them to activate. Yeah, you'll be live for tomorrow. You'll probably be live in like an hour. Honestly, you'll probably be live in an hour. Benny says there's login info already there. Click the 50K. I get my accounts right away. I don't know. He's saying, uh-oh, Marco. Yo, later, code. Damn, you're leading the whole race, Marco. Yo, I bet you Kevin comes up ahead right now, and then Marco beats him. Watch. Look. Watch. Kevin. Yo, Marco's got it. Oh. Shoot me an email. Yo, Take Profit Traders, not a new firm at all. Take Profit Traders been around for ages. Take Profit Traders been around for a very long time. I wouldn't consider them new at all. I mean, they're probably the most legit firm. I don't know one person that's gotten a denied payout. I don't know one denied payout from them at all. Yeah. Nah, I would say they're the most legit. They're probably the most legit out of all of them. Oh, is there any questions, comments, anything? Questions, comments, anything? If you got questions about prop firms, I don't use any new prop firms. You got to be crazy to use a new prop firm. I try to keep all the information on the ones I use right here. You can have 5 funded accounts. You could have as many evals as you want, but you can only have 5 funded accounts. Yo, I'll see you in the Discord later on, CT. But yeah, only 5 funded. I don't use a prop firm until they've been around at least 6 to 8 months, and I know people have gotten some big payouts. And the people that I know that got the payouts, like I have to know who they are. It's not like, some no-name guy got a payout. Like I don't care about that guy. But I use them. They're probably my number one firm. Like never been denied a payout. Marco won. What my expectations of the next session of the market would be? I don't know. They have conference calls at 5:00. So it all depends on what's talked about on these conference calls. We're up now, but what's talked about on the conference call is going to determine a lot. The only thing you can't do is trade news 1 minute before, 1 minute after. Other than that, do whatever you want to do and get paid. Oh. I got to get some more accounts, though. I got to load up. I have one pro account left. Marco won, Karen. I think I said that already. Oh, man. Yeah, but depending on, I don't really have a bias for what's going to happen in the next session because they have these 5 p.m. conference calls for the earnings, and that's going to determine where you go. You know, they can come on that conference call and say, I don't know, something, you know, tariffs aren't that good for us. And then, you know, next thing you know, we're down. Microsoft is trending up. Meta is trending up. Hood is down $1. That's not great. It's not great for me. It's not terrible, but it's not great. But all right, guys, I'm jumping off. I'm exhausted. Things did not go my way today. I'm going back to trading how I normally trade. I tried to do the 3 micros for you guys. It's not in my thing. It's not my playbook. So that's pretty much it. I am going to I still got my pro account. I'm going to take out a payout from Top Step today. And remember, Apex 80% off. Claims they closed today. I don't know if they're going to extend it. And it's the last day of the month. Take Profit Trader might change their deal. I don't know. It's 30% off, no activation fee. Other than that, you'll probably get a trend at open. When we open up, it'll probably trend one way or the other, I would assume. Other than that, I'll see you tomorrow at 10:30 in the morning. All right? Peace.